What is Instagram? So Instagram is a social media platform with an emphasis on photo and video sharing, which is so true. I think it's, in my mind, it's really about lifestyle. Like you see a lot of images of people doing stuff. They're out eating, so they take pictures of their food. They take pictures of their family. They take pictures of their kids when they're out with their kids, you know, the dog. What are they doing? How are they living their life? And so I feel Instagram really has an emphasis on more lifestyle than maybe Facebook or any other platform, because people are showing, you know, what they're doing or what they want you to perceive that they're doing and how they're doing it. Um, and so some of the features are within Instagram. So you have Instagram photos that you can take, of course, or that you can upload. There's IGTV, so Instagram TV, Instagram Reels, Instagram Shops. So Instagram Shops is if you're selling products, you can actually set up an Instagram shop. You need to have a business account to do that. And we actually did a training on Instagram Shops to show you how to do that. Of course, Instagram direct messaging, Instagram stories, Instagram live, Instagram fundraisers, and Instagram payments. So you can get paid online, which of course goes with Instagram shops, of course, and fundraisers and donations. So those are some of the features of Instagram. And so within Instagram, you can run ads. And what are those Instagram ads? So you can do ads. There's so many different ways in which you can do it, but they'll actually show up as sponsored posts. And so Instagram ads are posts or stories that a business, it could be a video as well, that a business pays to promote so that it shows up in a user's feed. So as you scroll through Instagram, and most of the time people are looking through Instagram on their mobile device, whatever mobile device they have available to them, that's what they're scrolling through Instagram in most cases. You can look at Instagram from your desktop, but most people are using it from their mobile device.